Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can assign different tasks to different people in your workspace in Airtable. It is very simple. Open the base in which you have all of your tasks. It can be a base, it can be a template in which you have entered all of your tasks. So here in this base, under projects, I have entered all of my tasks, task 1, task 2, 3, 4, 5. And now let's say I want to assign different tasks to different people. All you have to do is to add a new field by pressing this add field button. Then you have to scroll down and you have to select user. uh, then you have to press this option that says allow adding multiple users, and you have to press create field. What it's going to do is it's going to create a collaborators field. And here, let's say I want to assign task 1 to myself. I can do it by just pressing this button, or I want to assign task to some other person. I can just do that by adding their email or their name. So this way I can assign different tasks to different people. uh, and let's say you want to assign a task to a person that is available on Airtable but is not in your team. You can invite them by entering their email, and you can add them as a base collaborator or even a workspace collaborator, and you can give them permissions. You can add them as a creator, editor, commenter, or read only. All you have to do is to enter their email and send invite button. So they will be added, they will be sent a notification to join this field, this base, and collaborate. So this way you can assign different tasks to different people in your workspace in Airtable. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.